Hello everyone, myself Prachi Dubey from ISECT University. My topic is characterization of size and shape metal oxide nanoparticles for device applications. What is a nanoparticles? An example is a buckyball. A fluorine is a best example of a nanoparticles. Here, 16 carbon atoms links together in one unit. The diagram is a fluorine. Earth and football ratio, football and fluorine. Just like a football, fluorine diagram is a bond with many carbons atoms and linked together. How big is nano? Various types of nanoparticles. Nanoparticles, nanocubes, nanorods, nanoseeds, and nanodots. Nanocubes are 100 nanometers, nanorods 50 nm, nanoseeds 200 nm, and nanodots 2 nm. Classification of nanoparticles based on dimensionally. Nanosphere clusters are examples of nanoparticles and classifications of nanoparticles. Nanosphere clusters, examples of gold nanoparticles. Nanotubes, wires, and rod. These examples of gold nanowires. Thin films, 2D nanoparticles. These films, plates, layered and structures. 3D nanoparticles in polycrystals. Next, unique nanomaterials features. The property of matter at the nanoscale level are substantially defined compared to bulk size depend effect become more at the nanoscales. For example, AU solution appears yellow when in the bulk and it appears purple or red at the nanoscale level. The properties of nanomaterials can be tuned by tuning the nanomaterial size. At the nanoscale, the electronic properties are changed compared to bulk materials. For example, boron in bulk form is not considered a metal, whereas a two-dimensional network of boron appears to be excellent 2D metals compared to their bulk component. The mechanism properties of nanomaterials are improved due to increase in the crystal perfection of reduction and crystallography defects. The electronic properties of semiconductors in the 1 to 10 nano range are controlled by quantum mechanism consideration. Thus, nanosphere with diameter in the range of 1 and 10 nm are known as quantum mechanism. Surface area. The surface areas of nanomaterials are generally high compared with their bulk and its properties is associated with all nanomaterials. Quantum effect are more at the nanoscale level. The size at which effect will appear strongly depend upon the nature of the semiconductor materials. Nano, high thermal and electron conductivity. According to the nature of the nanomaterials, extraordinary thermal and electrical conductivity can be exhibited at the nanoscale level compared to bulk, and one example of this graphene from graphite. Excellent mechanical properties. Nanomaterials excellent mechanical properties that are absent in their microscopic. Excellent support for catalyst. 2D sheets of various nanomaterials have provide the opportunity for the good of nanoparticles of active catalysis. Nanoparticles to boot perform. Nanoparticles characteristics and applications. Special carbon based nanomaterials. The carbon based family consists of nanomaterials that have been explored for various applications due to our outstanding features. The extraordinary properties of turn carbon based nanomaterials have attract great interest of use in the technology and address modern language. Fluorine. Fluorines are an amazing allotropes of carbon and they were discovered in 1985. Fluorine are highly systematical cast of sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Fluorine are different molecule and they consist of a specific number of carbon atom making them different from the other allotropes of carbon. In the carbon-based nanomaterial family, fluorine were the first symmetric material and they provide new perspective in the nanomaterials field. This led to discovery of the carbon-based nanostructure materials such as carbon nanotubes and graphene. Fluorine are present in nature and interstellar space in 1991, and it is the most researched product and compared to other scientific subjects during the project. Fluorine process several unique features that make in the or application of the different field. Work done and challenges. Various field methods are the progress of a rapid development, offering different kinds of nanospecifical nanocrystals with particle size, composition, shape, and properties. The impact of several templates in the shape of evaluation of several metal oxide is great signification of industrial applications. Factor impacting of morphology of the particles. A number of facing anatropic nanostructure including nanorods, wire, tetra multiplots, and dumbbells as platelets heavy synthesized application solution chemistry. Objective here, the objective in this review, the start of the art in the area of the synthesis techniques for the exploration of size and shape, control of a variety of inorganic nanomaterials is overviewed, the crystal growth mechanism both and in the presence of a templates are discussed. Finally, we conclude with the recent development in the research progress in this topic as well as our prospects and the challenges and opportunity. Thank you.